Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. Not that long ago I set myself a goal to find a decent pair of Bluetooth headphones under 30 quid here in the UK, and it's been a difficult task. I had to, return a few pairs. I bought totally in about 8 or 9 pairs I believe, and I am yet to find the pair that I like the most, and that could be possibly it. The Riwbox XBT-880. The price on this one's 26 quid on Amazon with free delivery, which sounds good. Now we've got 4 color schemes over here. We can see them on this side. I've got the black gold, you've got white gold, white blue, and black, and pretty much black over here. And for the geeky of you, there are the specifications of the headphones. I can't really comment on those numbers because I'm not that much into numbers. I'm more like an everyday user, so I can just tell you whether they sound good or not for the money that they offer. Now, playtime, basically battery life, is about 10 hours. I would say that is between 8 and 10 hours, which seems to be true, and the charging time about 2 hours, which is again true, guys. So let's just do a quick unboxing and see what do we have inside actually. I'm gonna check this over here. Now, the first thing that you see that they're foldable. That is a big plus for me. Now, inside the box, let's see what else do we have. We've got the instruction manuals over here, a small feedback card, and both cables. Now, one cable is for charging and the other one is 3.5mm, and the charging cable doesn't really support data transfer, which means you cannot download your pictures from your phone, but the purpose of this cable is just to charge, and it does that well. Now, what's interesting about the 3.5mm cable is that it's longer than usual. They're usually about 1 meter 20 centimeters. This one is 1 meter 40 centimeters, and it's really nice high quality braided cable over here, guys. I like when companies are taking care of the accessories as well. And now when it comes down to the headphones themselves, check this out. They're really nice and shiny. Although, to be 100% honest with you, the build quality is not exactly that great, because they look great but they feel a little bit on the cheap side. But to be honest with you, they're actually cheap, 26 quid. So definitely some sacrifices had to be made, but on the positive side, they're extremely flexible. As you can see over here, you can stretch those quite a bit, so they're very light as well. So that's definitely on the positive side. As well as this padding over here is made of rubber, guys, which from a durability standpoint should last quite a bit longer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. On this side over here, you've got your answering button over here, on and off button, and the volume buttons. They're really nice and clicky over here. And one thing which is a little bit on the flimsy side is this cap over here for the charging port. I mean, it's gonna fall down all the time like that, so you're better off just basically removing this one, because check how easy it is to fall down, guys. It's extremely easy, and I really don't see the point of that cap, because the headphones are not kind of water resistant by any means, so there's no point of that. Now we've got the left and right indicators, which are really important to me. I check them all the time because I usually forget, and the headphones themselves stretch quite a bit, so no matter what size your head here we got, they got you covered. Now when it comes down to the padding itself, it's really nice and soft, but let me tell you something, these are not the type of headphones that are going to embrace your whole ear. As you can see, the hole over here is quite small, but what's interesting is that it is big enough to embrace the middle part of your ear. So basically this part over here provides a very good insulation, so you don't hear much what's going on around you, guys. And now when it comes down to sound, well, when you plug in the 3.5mm cable and when you use them with the cable, they're pretty much average. But where the magic happens is when you use them in Bluetooth mode, which is actually how they're supposed to be used, and they become really loud, guys. The bass is at very good levels, but pretty much overall the sound qualities that these headphones have are better than the competition. And especially these are the Riwbox, the last model, XBT, what was the model? XBT XBT-880. Yeah, this is the last model that costs about 21 pounds at the moment, and I would say that the new ones, the XBT-880, is a pretty good upgrade over the latest model. So what's my final verdict? 26 quid for this pair of headphones. Man, you're gonna be surprised of the overall quality that you're getting, especially for this amount of money. They definitely deserve my thumbs up, guys. So if you need them for a present, for a kid, or even for yourself, 26 quid again, you're not gonna regret this purchase. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below to Amazon. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.